Okay. I will start recording. Okay, let's start. I will put in the air.
Perfect.
3, 2, 1. I'm recording too. Hello, Bruno. How
Hello,
are you?
my friend. I'm fine. Nice to have you here.
Welcome to the pre-planning session for the operation tomorrow.
Yes, I'm in Brazil. And
Say
Mohi.
hello.
It's late on
I am in
Switzerland.
Switzerland here.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
So here we have our pre-op planning. Here we have the scapula, the implant that we have choose. Yes, Mohi. And here we can see.
I will help you. I will take the scapula away.
Perfect.
Then the implant, and then I have the rumors. We have an arrow here, so we can discuss if we want to do something.
Yes, for example, the location for the osteotomy or anything else. Perfect. And here we have the planning.
This is the planning, yeah.
Sorry, my friend. It's yours. You can take it. The surgery is yours.
Thank you. So we have this one. Here you can see. Oh, that's looking nice. Okay, let's take the scapula out of the table. We take this one here. Awesome. So actually we can collaborate and both of us can hold the models, correct?
Perfect. We can do it together. That's very nice.
I think it's actually amazing technology because you are now in Brazil, I am here, we're in different time zones, and we're discussing the same case and we are moving it around together.
Nice. Stop recording.